Um, no, I just focused on finishing the assignment, but I only managed to do the Word document.
Okay, okay, not an issue.
But
And
I did try some new things on the Word.
oh, that's great. That's cool. It's cool.
Like I tried figuring out how you can like add images from your computer that are
Yeah,
already uploaded. And I tried figuring out if you could like add themes and
yeah,
like stuff
yeah.
like that. So I did that.
Okay, that's good. And Arjun, what about you? Any Python thing you tried?
I might have shown my mom a little bit like how like they use Python in a few games. Like my brother does this game called Prodigy, and it uses like words to communicate with you if you click on the characters. So I showed her that I think Python uses that.
Okay, great. So good. Like it's nice that okay, you guys are working and you guys are finding it a very good one. So that's good. Now, so today we'll start with more with Python. Okay, and we will try to learn and we'll try to start that how Python can help us, right? More on the variables, more on the strings in Python, and there are few more concepts known as the lists, tuples, and maps. So we'll try to cover up these things in Python, and on these topics we'll have the assignments as well. So the next assignment is also going to come for you guys today. Now, so you guys remember what we learned last time in Python? Can any one of you can recap for me?
Um,
Yeah, Ira?
um,
We learned
we
parentheses and like okay.
no, yeah. What he said, we learned parentheses. We learned what print does. If you write print in your name, it will print your name. And we learned how you quit. You just write quit and brackets.
Okay, okay. Great, that's great. Now, that's good. So, fine. Okay, and what about Anay, what you learned?
My friends, I'm actually kind of bad. Learn like strings and floats. Do you know what those are?
Yeah?
Mm. And then I apply them to the code. And then yeah. And then there's also sets, frozen sets, dictionaries, stuff like that. And
No,
then
no, no. I'm asking whatever we learned in the last class. So, in that, what you learned. So, the last class which we had.
I kind of knew most all of it, kind of the
Yeah,
Python.
yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Just wanted to have a recap of the stuffs. And Arjun, what about you?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. My headset isn't like working as good.
Okay, I'll repeat. So I said that. Do you remember anything like which we learned in the last class from that?
So we learned like how to print our names and like how anything if you write in quotes and parentheses, it will print anything for you. But if you don't write it in um, quotes and parentheses, you will get it like in syntax and like it will be invalid.
Yep.
And then
Great.
it will say you mean to put it in parentheses and double quote.
Yeah. Right. So yeah, that's completely right. And so I think we are good with the stuffs. Now we are good with the things. So we'll start further with Python. Let me share my screen, and I would request every one of you to share your to turn on your video so that uh, I can specially focus on everyone. Great. Arjun, can you turn on your video, please?
I'm still eating breakfast. Can you like wait a bit?
Okay, fine. Okay, then as soon as you finish it, so you start. Huh? Okay, now So we studied last time about the variables, we studied about the operators, we studied what is Python and how you install Python and all this stuff, right? We learned a lot of things about Python and stuff. Now, now is the time that to move on from the basics to little bit more extra and new things, right? So it's time to move on to the new things. Ira, you want to go like and wash your eyes?
No, it just
Yeah, it
like
feels to me like some like it seems that some problem is there with eyes. If you want to
no, it's
go,
not that. It's just like sometimes like my eyes get really itchy. It's not. They
oh,
don't
okay,
just.
okay, that then it's fine. Hmm. Now, there are few rules for the variable names. Okay, we have couple of rules and couple of stuffs for the variable names. That is, so everyone can open this Python terminal in your screen. How we open that? Open idle, everyone, ideally.
Yeah, I got it.
Great. Ane, you opened? Arjun, you opened?
Yeah, I opened. No, wait, it's still opening. Uh,
Mhm. Ane?
oh yeah, I opened it.
Okay, seems Ane is not there. Okay, no issues. So let's see the variable. So we know that variable can be anything. It can be letters, it can be numbers, it can be underscore, and anything can be your variable, right? Now,
Mm.
the another
Mm.
important part is that variables don't have spaces in between. Okay, you don't put spaces in between the variables or any other special characters. So if you want to put space, what you do, you put underscore. Okay, you put underscore, right? Now another important rule which you have to remember is that you cannot start any variable with a number. You cannot start any variable with a number. And the last one is that all the variables are case sensitive. Okay, whatever variables we have, they all are what, they all are case sensitive, right? So if we see, let's see some examples. If every one of you have idle open, and can you open idle? Now Ira, can you try? So variable is nothing, like if you just write Ira, this is also variable, this is also variable. What is variable? Variable is something like to which we can assign any value, to which can hold something, right? What is your name now? For what is your name? Like suppose like let's say that my name is Ira, right? Or my name is Sachin, or my name is Ane. In that case, this name is what is your name is what? It is a variable, and that answer to that name, whether it's my name is Sachin, whether it's my name is Ane, or whether it's my name is Arjun, that is what? That is my value to that variable. So let's say I want to assign one variable with my name, and I want to give space in between that. So instead of let's try to give the space. Everyone see here first. So let's see that I have given a variable name as my name, and I have given the space, and I write Ira. You see that I get one error, and it points out that there is an error at this. Now it has highlighted it, right? It says that there is a error at this point. And what it says that we have what? We have a syntax error. Okay. As I said in my previous class that Python has a particular format, it has a particular way of writing the things. If you don't write that in a particular method or in a particular format, what which Python accepts, you will get an error, right? You will get an error, and that error is what? Syntax error. Okay, you will get a syntax error, right? So Basically, sorry. So basically, what you will do, you will, if you have to give any space, you can write underscore. Okay, you can write underscore, and now you can give. Now I didn't got any error, and now if I print my underscore name, it will print Ira. Uh, everyone try this with your names.
Okay. Wait, where's my mouse?
And Arjun, once you finish your breakfast, turn on your video, please.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. I got something else. It says Arjun is not defined.
Did you wrote in the way which I have written?
Do you have to put like underscore my name or like?
Yeah. So what you have written? Can you tell me?
I wrote YouTube Mr. Redhawks equal Arjun. And then I pressed enter.
Yeah. How come it will be you? So right. Okay. Let's see this example. So if I write only my underscore name, sorry. Let's say that I write first and hit enter. So it says this error, right? Name
Yeah,
first is not defined. So why? It is because when this is what? This is a variable. Is it clear for everyone that this is a variable,
yeah.
right? But I have not given any value to this variable, right? I have not given any value to this variable. So Python don't know that what is the value, what I have to do with this. So it gives you an error that this particular variable, the name of this variable is not defined. So you have to give a assignment operator that is equal to and the value. And once you give that, it will print for you.
So do you have to put your name in like one quote?
Yep, single quotes.
Okay.
Okay, now uh, can anyone guess or can anyone tell me that what could be the reason why I have not put single quotes here? Yes, Ira. Yes, Ira.
It's not about that. I tried the my name thing and then it didn't really work.
Okay, what you tried? Yeah, no, just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes.
I wrote my name. Like I did the same thing. Oh, I see what I did wrong.
Okay. Yeah, Nick, go ahead.
Because it's a variable,
Right.
pick a name, and then we don't do parentheses.
Oh, it worked.
So, Ira, did it work for you?
I'm still doing that. Yeah, it worked.
Okay, great. Now, great. Now, now you see that here I have not given. Normally, if I till now we learned that if I have to print my name, I will write print Ira, okay, or print Ane, or print. Let's print Ane name. Let's not do partiality with anyone. So we write like this. But in this one, I have not given any single quotes. Okay. The reason because when you assign, this is what my name is what my name is my variable, and Ira is what it is a value assigned to this variable. This is my variable, and this is the value assigned to my this variable. So in this case, In this case, if you see this particular name, if you want to print the value, if you want to print this value, so here when I am writing the variable name, okay, when I am writing the variable name, I don't have to give the quotes. Whenever I am writing variable name, I don't have to give the quotes. Let's say I'm writing a equal to 5 and I can just write print a. Okay, I can just write print a. But what if I write print 5? Okay, it will give, because 5 is what? 5 is a number, right? It will give. But if I write print b, it will say b is not defined because there is no such variable b. There is no variable name as b. But if I write b equal to 6 and then if I write print b, so everyone focus here, don't type and try this. First focus here and see what I am doing. Now we got to know that whatever we are writing on this left hand side before equal to, whatever we are writing on this left hand side, this is what, this is my variable, right? This is my variable. And after equal to, whatever I am writing on right hand side, everyone focus here guys. Okay, left hand side whatever I am writing, this is my variable name. And right hand side after equal to whatever I am writing, that is what, that is my value. So whenever you are printing the from the variable name, okay, whenever you want to print the value of a, you don't write it in a single quotes. Okay, you don't write it in a single quotes. Whereas if you want to print something which is not defined in a variable, then you write it in a single quotes. Is it clear? Any questions,
Yes.
anyone? Okay, now you guys can try 2 3 things, whatever you guys want to try.
Okay. All right. Whatever.
Yeah, Ira, yeah.
I have a question. Can you do algebra with this? Can you do like a plus b, which should be like 5 plus 6?
Sure, we can do. Let's
As
see.
long as you
Okay.
name it and Python understands it, you can basically do like any math stuff.
Sorry, Ane.
As long as you like like explain it to Python clearly, Python can basically do like any math stuff.
Math stuff, right? I'll do that. So let's try with few of the math stuff. Let's say I want to do a equal to 11 and b equal to 15. Everyone focus here. Hmm? A equal to 11, b equal to 15. Arjun, can you turn on your video? No problem. I would be happy to see what you are eating. But you turn on your video. I want to see what you are doing. Great. And now focus here on my screen, on the other screen. A equal to 11 and b equal to 15. Okay. What I want to do, I want to add these two and print it out. Correct? Yeah. I want to add this two. So what I will do, yes, Ira?
What you do is you do a plus b, and then you just hit enter.
Okay. Okay. So
Because I tried it like before when we were explaining the b is equal to 6 and this.
so you
Like
have written
when
a
you
plus b inside print or how it is?
no, I just wrote a plus b, and then I got the answer.
Okay. That's one way to do that. That is correct. That is one way to do that. We have other ways also. Yes, Arjun. Any other way which with which we can do this? Can you think of any other thing? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so after you do that, it's kind of different from ERAS, but you do print a plus b.
Exactly. Now, one way is that, another way is that you can write print a plus b, and this will also give me the output. What Ira told, that is also correct. This will also give output. Now, if focus here, everyone, Arjun, if I want to assign this addition, assign this the sum of these two numbers into another variable, Now, if I want to assign the sum of these two numbers into another variable, what I will do or how it can be done. Yes, Ira?
You do A plus B and then write equal to 26 and then hit enter and then write brackets A plus B and then plus any number like 5, for example, and then hit enter.
No, not exactly. So I'll repeat my question. I want to assign this sum, the sum of these two numbers into one variable. Okay. So, yeah, Ane?
This time, for me, the A plus B, just A plus B, it didn't work for me.
Just A
For
plus
me, it
B?
does.
A plus B didn't work.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, please go ahead. I'll stop sharing.
No. So like this one? Yeah, this one. Am I sharing my screen? Oh yeah, share. Okay, so now see, look. A plus B, like see A plus B, right?
What you have, in what you are running it?
Oh, so it's basically just you do on your normal. See, like if I just do here, and then I do X, and don't save it. Do
I can't see your screen.
Okay, yeah, I'll share in just a bit.
You can
Okay,
share your entire screen.
Yeah. Let me see something.
Arjun is in some other world only.
I'm
Arjun,
just looking at the screen that the Zoom is on. I have 3 different monitors. One has the PowerPoint, one has the Python, and one has the Zoom.
Wait.
so
I'm
focus on one right now.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the Zoom.
Yeah, and then go to Python. Wait, there's like thing on top of it, so I can't do it. Wait, Python. See, like there's like this thing. Okay, and then I can't do it because there's like something on top, like my Python. And then.
Okay, but okay, can you go back to the that?
Okay, yeah. So I'll just do it here. So what I'm on is I do Control N. So I'm on a new thing. So and then this is how I was taught on different things. And then you do print. And then let's just say you do print. And then blah blah blah. And then
Where you are
run.
writing, we can't see anything.
Right?
Yeah.
You can't see.
Anna, you're sharing the Excel.
Yeah.
Wait, do you see like anything on top of it?
No.
All we see is your Excel.
Okay,
So you do one thing. You stop sharing, share screen again, and just set the first option. Select the first option, which will share all your screen.
Okay, stop sharing.
Share screen, the first option,
Like,
which says screen.
okay, like this.
Great.
Now do
Yep. Now here we are. Yep. Okay, go ahead.
So now, and then if you do Control N, this is how I'll start. Then you do print, and then you do this and whatever you want in your brackets, and then you do run module, save it.
Yeah, you are saving all the files basically, right?
Yeah, and then it would do like this. So this,
Yeah.
like this is how I was taught.
Okay. So now, so in that case, why it is not taking? So you would have written a equal to 11 and b equal to 5 in that particular file, right?
Yeah. Okay, and then
Try here. B equal to 5.
B equal to 15, and then A plus B.
Right.
A plus B. Now for here it works because it's a terminal kind of thing.
True. So in terminal it will work because the value is stored here, right? But there if you are storing it in file, it will not work. Okay.
Okay.
Can you?
Stop sharing.
Yep.
Okay.
Now the one which I was saying, that if I have to assign the value to another variable, right? I want to assign the value to another variable. In that case, what I am going to do, I'll assign a different variable. I'll give it a name, a different variable C, in which I will store A plus B. And now I will print C. It will give me the value, right? So this is another way in which I can store the sum of values. Now, sum of the two numbers. Now, can who can tell me what is the formula for area of circle?
Oh
Area of
yeah,
circle,
pi times r times d, I think.
pi times
Or
r times
pi,
d.
yeah, pi times.
Yes, Ane? Don't Google it. Tell me.
Wait, my thing. I'm trying to do a
Yeah, Ira.
Python thing.
Ira, go ahead.
I'm trying to do a Python thing. I
Oh, okay.
think pi
What
plus
was the
diameter times pi.
No. Yeah,
That's
Ira.
about.
what was the
Pi
question
by
again?
d.
Because you kind of
What is the
glitched.
formula for area of circle?
Oh, I know that. It's radius squared times pi.
True. That's great.
Darn
Good.
it, I was so close.
Okay. So it's pi times r times 2 or r square, right?
It's radius squared. R times 2 is 6 times 2.
6
R squared is
r
6
square.
times 6.
Yeah. So it's radius square into pi. That is the formula for area of circle, right, Ane?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now what is the value of pi, Ane?
3.14.
So every one of you know. Great.
Yeah, just do 3.14.
Yeah. Now, how can we implement
5.207.
this in Python? Can every one of you try to try to calculate the area of circle in Python using your this shell, where take radius value of radius as 5. Take value of radius as 5, and I would be seeing each and every one of your screen, whatever you guys are doing. Okay.
How do you see
Okay.
all three of our screens? Is that possible?
I'll
Yeah.
ask each of you guys to share your screen one by one, right?
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
So radius is 5.
Don't say, just print it.
But what is radius? Can we make up our own radius?
what are you
You
supposed
can
to
take up
print?
your own radius. Okay.
What are you
Okay.
supposed to print though?
You have to print the area of a circle. You have to basically write a program in Python to calculate area of circle.
Pi r, wait.
I'm done.
Okay, let's wait here for 2 minutes for others, and then
Okay,
first
it
you will share your screen.
didn't do anything. How do we do this? Okay, let's try this. Clarify. What?
Wait, are you saying we have to run the whole code for like doing it? Or
It's I don't think it's a whole code. It's a small stuff.
Okay, it still
Okay, Ira,
didn't
can
work.
you
I
share
don't
your screen?
understand.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me stop it.
I'm just gonna need to. Yeah. Okay. There. I just need to get rid of something else. There.
Great, that's great.
Oh.
Okay, this. I got that.
Hmm. That's great.
Should I stop sharing now?
Yeah, you can stop sharing. I'll tell you little bit more things how we can improvise it and all. So you have written exactly right. So now I think you guys know that how Ira has written in the similar fashion we
Oh,
have
I
to
got
write.
it. I got
But
it.
I'll tell you a more better way to write it, right? Okay, now, so one way is that you can store the value of radius equal to like this 5, and you say that pi is equal to 3.14, right? And then you write area underscore of circle with a proper name as pi into radius into radius, correct? And now I will do print area of circle, right? And it has printed me this value. So don't type anyone, please focus here, stop typing everyone. Okay, now you see the radius I have given. I have assigned one variable radius to which I have given value as 5. Similarly to I have given Ane, focus here, to 1 I have given pi, I have given one value, and area of circle I have calculated it, right? Now
Yeah.
let's see that if I want this value of area of radius value to get changed every time, and to see that what could be the value, I will write input, please enter the radius. See here, see it will ask me radius, I say 4, and now if I print area,
And area circle.
no, I have to write like this. So let me do one thing, let me open the new one so you can see it correctly. So let's say if I want that every time I can change the value of radius. Okay, it should ask the input from me. It should ask the input from me that you enter the value. So what I'll do, I'll write radius equal to input. And now whatever I want to ask you, so I'll write please enter the value of radius, right? And just to make it more clear, I'll put these two colons. Now let's say I've written 12. Okay, so it will be 12, and after that I'll calculate like area equal to radius into radius into 3.14.
Okay.
Okay, okay, so hmm,
It's a string.
okay, now you see, now there is everyone, Arjun, are
He
you
has
seeing?
3 monitors. So he's looking at a
Yeah.
different one.
Yeah,
No,
are
I'm
you
looking at the Zoom one.
you
I'm
monitor?
looking
Great.
at the
There's
Zoom
three
one.
Okay,
monitors.
okay, then great. Okay, now you see guys here, so Ira understand this concept. Now here you see that if I wanted to change the value of radius every time, or if I want to get the value of radius every time, there is one command you can say in Python known as input, and after that whatever I will pass, it will keep on changing it, right? But the problem is that it takes the input as a string. It takes the input as a string, and you cannot multiply string with number, right? You cannot write this na Sachin into 4. You cannot write that. Can you multiply ABC cross 4? No, right?
If you name it,
Huh?
if you name it, if you tell Python what the name is, then you can
Um,
do
in Python we can.
it. If you name it, then you can do it. Like if you name, like then name what ABC is equal to, then you can do it.
Right, right. So then we
So
can do. So, but if we have this kind of a value, so what I have done with this command here is I have checked the type of the value, type of this radius. Okay, I wanted to check the type. So under the print, I have written type, and under that I have written radius. which tells me that it is a string type, but I want a number from this. I want number from this, right? So to get the number, I will write int,
Integer.
okay, which means
Integer.
integers, okay. Integers are what? Integers are your positive or negative numbers, right? You studied in maths, right? Integers are your
Yes.
positive or negative numbers. And after that, I'll open the bracket and I will write input, please enter radius, and I'll close it 2 times because you see I have
Yeah.
opened 2 times, so you have to close it 2 times. Okay, this is a syntax. Yeah, here it has opened 2 times, right? One you will open up for integer to pass the value for integer, one for input. Okay, Ira confused? Arjun?
No, I understand.
Okay, Anna, you got?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Now, as soon as I write this, I write value 12, and if I do area equal to radius into, sorry, radius into 3.14, and if I print area, now you see I'm not getting any error, and it is giving me this value, right? Now, if I want to again if I want to again get the radius, okay, now you see the value of radius is what? 12, which I have given here, right? But if I want that every time when I run this program, when I run this, it should ask me radius, right? It should ask me that what is the new radius, right? So one way is the another tool or another software we can install, but right now we are not installing another software. Everyone open Notepad.
Okay, I open Notepad. And now I will be looking at that way because the Notepad is on the other monitor.
Hmm? Okay.
Now I will be looking at that way because I have Notepad there. I have Notepad. I have Python, the Zoom there, Python in the middle, and then on the third one I have Notepad.
I'll send you guys this program, okay? So don't worry. I'll send you guys in chat. You can copy paste it.
And then
So first everyone see here, and then we will try to.
Do we write this in our Notepad?
No, right, hold on for now.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. I'm going and I'm saving this file. Okay, I'm saving it in my desktop. Okay, as area dot py. I told you guys, right, that for every text file we have txt extension, doc file we have doc, and excel we have that. So here we'll do this and we'll write all files and save it. Okay, now let's go to my desktop. Here I have this. Let me double click. You see it's asking me, see here, Ira, it's asking me please enter the radius. I entered 12 and it got disappeared. But to do this, what I'll do, I'll go to
command prompt.
my command prompt. I'll first show you that how I'm running it. Okay, so
It's
this
a
is a
request.
command to run it. It will ask me this. I've given 12. It gave me the value. If I ask run it again, I can change the value and it gave me different value. Okay, run again, it gave, I am putting the value, right? So every time it is giving me a different value. What you guys do now, how you guys will understand, I'll tell that how you guys will do. I am sending you one line, copy that,
What is DevOps? Like when I go in the meeting, it says DevOps session 1. What's that?
Yeah, DevOps is one of the technology
DevOps.
actually uh, culture and the technology these days for which I also give the training. So it's that only. Okay, I have pinged you guys and one thing, right? So
Yeah.
Yeah.
in that the second radius which is written, right? Copy it from there. Copy the things from there till print area, hmm, and open one notepad, or the notepad which you have opened, and save it in your desktop with name as area.py.
Wait, how do you print and copy?
No, no, you just have to copy that thing and paste it in your
Only do we
notepad.
only copy area equals 3.14 times radius, or do we have to copy all of it?
No, no, you have to copy the second part. Where is the second radius equal to input, and that is written na that part.
Okay. Copy,
Ira, you are done.
paste. Okay, I did it.
Copied, pasted, and saved the file
Wait,
with
I put it
area.py.
I put it in my notepad.
Ha, notepad. Did you save it? Press Control plus S.
Okay. Uh, where should I just save it in documents?
No, save it on desktop
Okay.
and
Save.
give it a name as area. What name you gave?
Oh, wait.
Okay, Ira and Ane,
Okay, I saved it.
you saved it.
Yes.
Okay, still you have made one mistake, so no issues. I'll tell you what to do. Okay, let's. Meanwhile, Arjun, you don't perform this step. Okay.
How do you save it? Or
Yeah, area.py. Can you share your screen, Ira?
yeah.
So let's do it this way. Arjun, focus on the Ira screen. Okay,
Okay.
and follow the same things. Anna, you are good.
Oh, my screen is.
Okay, you okay. So okay, Ira, do one thing first. Go to format. Click on word wrap. Okay. Ira, go to do one thing. The first line which you have written, na radius integer input. Please enter the radius. Area equal to 3.14 into radius. Delete till this line. Delete everything. Hmm. Great. 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 Now after radius equal to input, enter radius. Before this area, press and hit enter.
Uh,
Before the
is
area.
this area?
Yep. Now before print, hit enter. Okay. Now see one thing, guys. Okay, one thing is very important to understand. Every time we should write a code or programs in a step by step, right? Line by line. Okay. Now radius, we want the value of radius, right? That is my one line. Okay. To calculate the area, that is my second line, and I have to print, that is my third line. So now can everyone write it in a similar fashion as Ira has written and confirm me? Arjun, are you done?
Wait, do I save it? How do you
Yeah,
save it?
you have to save it, but I'll tell you, just give me a moment. I want Arjun also to follow the same thing.
I pasted the wrong thing. Wait one sec. I didn't paste the radius.
Yeah,
Copy,
just a second, Ira, because this is
paste.
the main thing. Otherwise Arjun will, no, don't save it.
It's not letting me save it.
I've asked you not. to save it, right? Don't save it first.
No, but you told us to save the area radius.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, fine. Okay, let me first resolve that Ira issue. Okay, Ira, press Control plus S.
It did.
Nothing happened. Yeah. Now you see you got that option for the save is a shortcut key. Control plus S. Okay.
Yeah.
Now go to desktop. Now here write area in the file name. Write area dot py, and in the save as type just select all files. Hmm. So basically now, yeah, basically now we don't
Save.
want to, yeah, now we don't want to save. Arjun, focus here. We don't want to save it as a text file, right? We want to save it as a Python file. So for Python file, the extension is what? Py, and we are giving name as a area to this file. Click on save. Press Window plus R. You can close this file now.
Let me just
Notepad
do
also.
that.
Yeah, CMD.
Yeah, one sec. I just need a. One sec. There.
Yeah, Window plus R. Okay, CMD.
Sorry.
Yep. Okay. Now, okay, just here, just write CD space.
Should we be doing this too?
No, I'll come back to you. I'll tell you to for you, Arjun. Ira, close this. Close this once. Minimize that also. Okay, this area file which is there in desktop, right? Right click there. Right click. Write the radius. Enter. It got disappeared, right? It didn't print it. Right click on that file, on the area file. Right click.
Sorry. Just.
Yeah, you did. No, you have.
Mine's isn't right click. Mine's is double click.
Okay,
I
okay.
have to press it twice. Yeah.
No, not. I don't. I want that only, which you came up with the last time. Yeah, like this. You just click on area and go with that.
Uh,
Yeah.
this.
No. You have to. How will I say? Okay, you have to press the like. Okay, go to CMD. I'll tell you another way. So next time I will get you all guys install Python PyCharm only. That will help you to run the code from there. Okay, here type CD space capital D. Now desktop basically you have to write with capital D. So write desktop.
Enter.
And yep, great. Now write Python. So to run any Python command, what I have done, first I move to my desktop. CD means change directory, means I have to move to my desktop, right? My file was stored where? In my desktop. So I did that, and I did Python space area.py, right? Enter. Now enter the radius. Enter. Again, just press up arrow key. You get the same command which you run. Enter. Type any radius you want. Type a big radius, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Great. Enter. Okay. You see, right? So this is a program to get the area of circle. Now you can, with the help of this, you can make use of, you can write any program. You can write to calculate volume of sphere, okay, or volume of cube or anything, and that can be done for you, right?
Should I
Isn't it?
stop sharing?
Yeah, please. Arjun, please share your screen quickly so that I can
My
help
notepad.
you. Share your entire screen.
Uh,
Anay, you are good with all the things, right?
can you see
Yes,
my screen?
I'm good.
Yeah, I can see where you have saved your file. Okay, open your area file here.
No,
Great.
because I saved the wrong thing. So should I still open that or should I like save this first?
Now follow me what I am saying, okay?
Okay.
Now go to radius. Go keep
Where's
your cursor on
radius?
R. Keep your mouse cursor radius, the first line. First
Oh, this
line,
one.
radius. The first statement, radius. You have written radius, right?
Yeah.
No, man. Delete this radius. You have radius already there, written.
Oh, okay.
Huh? There is a
Okay.
space. I want you to remove that space, okay?
But like the tab like space. That's what he's talking about.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, remove this space. Just press backspace arrow key. Press one, two more time. You have a one more and new line there.
No, wait. Yeah, okay.
Great. Great. Now everything is good for you. Okay, just click on file.
File.
Click on save as, because now you have to
Okay.
save it. Now area.py, right? .py, area.py.
Hi. And then desktop. Should
No,
I
no,
save
no,
it?
no, no, no. Wait.
Oh yeah, all
Save as
documents.
type as all files. You don't have to save it as your text file, okay? And you
Okay.
have saved in desktop. Okay, click on save. Super. Window R CMD. You are already on CMD.
Yeah, I have it right here. Wait, let me get it.
Everything has opened in three different screens. Great. My God. Don't you have a more small font? Okay, type CD
CD
space desktop, capital D.
space. Okay.
Enter.
Enter.
Python.
Do I do space Python?
Only Python. Space area.py.
Area.
So to run any of the Python file, okay, you have to write Python, right? You have to write
Yes.
Python and followed by the file name, and the space should be there. And the first command is that because my thing it was saved on the desktop, so CD stands for change directory. Means I am changing the file and folder. So right now it was on the C users and what the hell it is written? H Rishikesh, right? H Rishikesh, whatever it is written in that. So from there, I want to move to desktop, right? Hit enter,
Yes.
12,
Okay.
enter. Array hit enter. Okay, write 12 now.
I already wrote 12.
That you wrote wrong thing, na? You don't have to write that.
Okay, now enter.
Okay, press up arrow key.
What's this?
You get the same command again, right? Don't get confused,
Yes.
Arjun, okay? Like, delete the 12.
Which this 12 or
This
this
12.
12?
No, that one only. You can't go up now. Just
Oh,
press
this 12.
backspace key. Hit enter. Write any radius you want. Any of. Bus. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Give it.
Should I press enter?
Yes. You got the value. Great.
Okay.
So this is how you can calculate this. All things. Ira, you had some question. Go ahead, please. You can stop sharing, Arjun.
Oh, okay. Go
No,
ahead.
I was just wondering why it was so tiny because I couldn't really read it.
Yeah, I myself like I have to put like kind of a binocular for myself also. Okay.
I have a they're big monitor.
No problem. He has three monitors, right? So he want to change the fonts here and there, isn't it? Okay, let's move to the another concept, guys. So you now we saw that how we can write the Python a small program, how we can save it, how we can calculate the area of radius, and how we can get the user input. This is known as user input, right? Every time we are trying to get the user input. Now let's move to the another topic, which is known as strings. However, we are very much familiar with this, okay, but we'll like to get few more hands on this, okay.
Oh, sticky notes. Okay.
No, you don't have to open anything. You just have to focus on my screen for next 5 minutes. Now, everyone, your eyes focus here, okay. Now, as we know, until now we found that okay, we have assigned only the values in the variables, or we have assigned something as a in the single quotes or double quotes, which we call it as a strings, right? So variable can be the combination of both your numbers and your text or your strings, right? Variables can be combination of both numbers and text. Just the difference is that numbers you write directly like this, whereas strings you write in the single quotes. Okay, strings you write in a single quotes or in a double quotes. Okay, whatever quotes you want. So either in single or in double quotes you write string. Now, whatever. Now, if you start it with a single quote, remember always end with single quote only. If you start with double quotes, remember to end with the double quotes only. Okay. Now, let's say if I have to write a string, okay, so what I will do, like let's say that I have to write a string as my class. Okay, so I'll write my class is equal to 6. This I can write in string, right? So this is what, this is my string variable or my variable to which I have assigned a value as string, right? Now the similarly, if I want to rewrite, I want to reassign any value in this, and let's say that I want to write my class, and I write to write I am in class 6th. Okay, let's say I have written this and like this. Now it's give me an error, right? It gives me an error because wherever you have to write the words where it is like single quotes in between the strings. Okay, make this is very important thing. I have given the assignment also on the same. Wherever you have to write word like I am like this, there are two ways to do this. The first way is that write I have to put I am in class 6th. Now, if there is a single quote in my string only, in my line only, then just put this string in a double quotes. Okay, and now assign it. Getting? Put it in
Yes.
a double quotes. Or do one thing. I
Should we be writing this? Or like, should we be doing this?
not right now. I'll tell you when to do and what to write. One second. There is one more way. Yep. Ha. Now the one way is that you can put it under the double quotes, right? You can put it under the double quotes. Another way is that you put backslash character before the apostrophe. Before the apostrophe, you put a backslash character, right? So now you see this is known as the escape character. Okay, Anay and Arjun, this is known as escape character. This backslash character is known as escape character, which will basically it will read this single quotes without giving you an error. Now, can everyone try to write this that I shouldn't say this word, that I shouldn't use that word. Everyone has to write I shouldn't use that word and assign it to a variable. This thing, write in a variable.
Wait, my Python is filled up. Do I just like exit out of Python and then reload it, or?
Yeah, you can do that also. And any network issue? You are on mute.
No, it's like kind of like everyone's voice is cracking up.
Okay, so you want me to repeat something?
Yeah, can you repeat like what we should do?
So I want you guys to write this statement. I shouldn't use that word. Okay, and assign it to any particular variable. Ira, done?
I'm doing it, actually.
Yeah, once you are done, so just do this. Copy it like this. Okay, and share it to me in chat window.
It's not letting me copy it.
It's not letting you copy.
No, it's not.
Now, if you just do like this and just do Control C, it will do
Oh,
that.
Control C. Okay. Oh no. Wait. Okay.
So, no, sir. I want like this way I have written, right? So you have to write in a similar fashion. He has pasted with the same word. Okay, I shouldn't use that word. What I have written. I
Wait,
want
should
you
I
to.
write something else?
No, you have to write the same word, Arjun, but you have to assign it to a particular variable. See
Oh,
here what I have done. Here I have assigned to my class. I have assigned this value, right? I am in. If I
okay.
print my class, let's say if I print my class here, I am getting a value, right? I am in class 6. So similarly, you guys have to assign it to particular value.
Can we do anything?
No, what I have said, that write that. I
Like
shouldn't
I
use
am in
that word. Give this
my
as
class.
a value.
Wait, so I don't understand. Should I use? I shouldn't use that word as output or input.
I want that as output.
All right. So do we have to
I'm
also
done.
write my class as the input, or can we?
You can use anything. Input.
I'm
Yeah,
done.
Ira. Can you
I'm
paste?
done.
Can you paste that entire thing, Ira? Here. Same. Whoever does, can you paste it here?
Like that.
One small mistake, Ira. Can you think?
Because it worked for me. Like I tried running it and it worked.
Can you think? Can just see back. You miss one
Oh,
small thing. What?
the slash should be on the other side.
No. Slash is not a mistake. Slash is correct. That's correct.
Oh, I forgot the last thing. The last
Exactly.
apostrophe.
Exactly.
Like that at the end.
Ane? So let's paste what Ira has done. Great. Ira's syntax is correct. Ira wrote it correct.
Okay. I copy.
Now, Ira, one thing for you. I'll share you. I'll share in the chat. Try to write this.
What? Oh, both of those? Okay.
Yep.
Let me try.
Chicken equal to I shouldn't use that word. And when he printed chicken, he got. So this is what Arjun has written. Let me print chicken. Great, Arjun. Ane,
Is Anay in the meeting?
Ane is there.
I can't. There's like a lot of background noise, like neighbors mowing the lawn, so it's slightly hard to hear. So I might not get everything. But yeah, I did this. Basically, you can assign it to any variable, like including chicken or class.
Okay, you can do this, right? In the same
Yeah.
fashion. Great. So every one of you, this is the last thing. We'll try with this. So we are almost good with the entire string concept.
Shouldn't come or not for me.
Every one of you print this. And Ane, paste your output, paste your whatever you
Wait,
write there in here. Huh?
so you do print?
I did it.
Okay, wait.
Finished.
Let me go to Python.
Good. Very good, Ira.
Do we do print? I don't understand what we are supposed to do.
You have to print as that as output.
Okay.
Wait, okay, yeah.
Good. Excellent, Ira. You can try a few other things if you want. Or you can think of that why we are using this in like why we are writing all these things in this manner.
Yeah. No, I'm just trying to find Python again. My thing just like disappeared, so
Okay.
I'm reloading.
Either you can
New page.
reload the idle.
New page.
I still don't understand what to do. Like,
What you did last time, you have printed it, right? You gave some input as a chicken and you assigned a value to that
yeah,
chicken. You have to
yeah.
do the same thing. Just this time, instead of using I shouldn't use that word, you have to give the I want you to print shouldn't, couldn't, are not for me.
Okay.
And if you are done, please paste your output.
Can you try something else, but like a little more difficult? Like, so that I have like, something to do.
You
Wait.
can use any of these words. Well, I haven't.
Yeah.
You can try any with any statement. And please paste your output.
Okay.
It's kind of like glitching because I have a lot of tabs. So let me.
Huh?
It's glitching because I have a lot of tabs open. So I'm just gonna try to do my best.
No problem. But are you able to run it? Are you getting the correct output?
Yeah, I'm just trying to paste in the chat. Wait, let me check.
No issues.
Okay, wait, I need to restart it. Why is this
Wait.
not working?
What should I paste? Like the whole thing?
Like just like the variable name and the value.
Wait, can the input be only one word?
Yeah, this is what I did.
Yep, right on it.
Sorry about that. It was just really laggy.
But I don't think this is working.
For me, it is.
Equals.
It will work, but no. Oh, sorry. My bad. 1 second.
And it shouldn't or not for me. And then, I'm on the.
Okay,
Yeah.
it is working. Yeah, sorry, my bad. I was thinking in a different way.
Yeah.
Great. Arjun,
I was using 2 words and it wasn't working. Now let me do this. Okay, now I think it's working. Okay.
Oh wow, that's a big number. I tried
And
something out that I wanted to do,
okay.
and it was big.
Great. Great.
I did a bunch of things. I did pi is equal to 3.14, radius is equal to 5 times 5, c is equal to pi times radius, b is equal to c times c, and a is equal to 2. So what is b plus a?
Okay, like I have not done entire calculation, but yes, but if you got the output, then it's good, and I can
Yeah.
see that from your happiness that yeah. So great, this is what Arjun did, and I'm happy that okay he tried another way rather than putting it in a tab way. So I'm happy that okay he tried the other way. So these are the two ways we studied: one by putting the backslash character, and another by writing it in the double quotes, right? So these are the two ways. Now Arjun, leave your lap keyboard and see focus here. Okay, so we see that anything we write in a single quotes or a double quote, that is my string, right? That is my string. And whatever we do apart from that, whatever, like if we have any single quotes in between the string, then how we can put it via the backslash character or via this way. Let's say that if I have multiple lines, okay, now if I have multiple lines to write, okay, so let's say I have a multiple lines to write. I give it a name, variable name as multi lines. So for multiple lines, what you do, you write the your string in a 3 single quotes. Okay, you write it in a 3 single quotes. Okay, and let's say that you start writing here that, well, I was very busy today with the trainings. Anyways, you tell me your plan. Shall we meet tomorrow morning for breakfast? Or if you want to join me for the lunch to my
Are you
friend's
talking to
place.
someone and like typing what you're talking?
No, no, I'm just typing it to show you guys that how we can write multiple lines.
Yeah.
Okay, so I here you see,
Finally, okay. I was doing a equal b.
so sir Arjun, what
Yeah.
a equal to b? Here what I am teaching.
We are teaching that we can write multiple lines in the
Great.
Python 3.8.3 shell.
Yeah, great. He's the multitasking guy. So now you see that when I have to write these multiple lines, I can write these multiple lines by putting it in a 3 single quotes. And now if I put, or if I just print multi lines, okay, it will give me my me all those lines. Now another way is that if I want to do the same thing, I want to do the same thing, but I want it to be in a organized way. Means what I want to do, that I want here, I want here to write like, hey, how are you doing? Okay, and like after space that, hope you are enjoying your vacations. Now hope you are having fun in learning Python. And now you put this either here, or you can just put it either here and enter. And now if you what I would mutl underscore lines. If you put this, so you see I'm getting all the things as a this. I'm getting all the stuffs in a one line, single line, right? But this slash n character is enclosed in between that. This slash n came in between this. Now what does this n slash n means? These are some escape characters in Python. Okay, these are escape characters in Python, which means that after this we have a new line. Okay, slash n stands for new line. Similarly, we have slash t, which stands for a tab. If you want to give tab in the Python, a tab means 4 space, right? Let's say that I have to give a tab. This is my cursor, and if I press tab here, it will go 4 space. It is tab is a 4 space. Okay, so if I want to give it in a Python, so I'll write backslash t. It will give me tab. Okay, like not here, but in a proper way. So everyone good at how you can write multi lines? Can you quickly try to write multi lines?
Okay.
Any of the thing which you can try for the day?
Okay. Wait, I need to delete my Python. I wrote too much.
Yep, Arjun.
So is there, can you do like, you know how we can do like math with the Python? Is there a way to do like polynomials like with variables like 3xy plus 4xy? I just deleted the Python.
You are saying the graph and all?
No. Like 3x minus 4x or something like that.
You can do. You tell me how we can do. I have told you so much
If you
thing now.
write
You tell me how.
integer, can you write like integer? Do you have to write int for integer, or can you just do minus
No.
3x?
In Python, you don't have to define anything. Python automatically takes everything.
Yeah,
Until now,
because
we
it
have
has
defined.
math installed in it.
Yep. Sorry, Ane.
It has like some math installed in Python already, so
Huh,
Yeah,
that
when
is
it
that
says
is also there. That
invalid,
we'll study tomorrow. That
there's
is also there.
invalid syntax when I wrote minus 45 plus 56x
Yeah. X is what? What is X?
variable.
Who will give the value to that X?
Me. Oh, okay. Okay, now I get it. Wait. X equals 3 plus 3 plus minus 4, and then enter minus 56. It didn't work still. Oh, wait.
Okay, leave it. Now see my screen. See the zoom. Ira,
Okay.
you are done.
Almost, I'm just checking if it worked. Oh, now I get what I don't know. Yeah, I'm done.
This
Great.
is like not working. Oh, wait.
Okay, now see here, Arjun and Ane. So let's see here. Now I want to resolve this kind of a equation as you guys want. Okay, I want to resolve this equation which is 3x plus 4y minus 5z plus 4y cube. Okay.
Okay.
Now for this kind of things, what you basically do, see, this is a combination. This equation is what in terms of Python, this is combination of numbers and strings, right? In terms of Python, this is a combination of numbers and strings. So Python will in in fact, when you do your maths also, you assign some value to x, right? You give some value to x, right? Ira, you have you know that, right? How to solve these equations and all. Yeah, okay. So I hope Ane also know how to solve the equations and all, right? Yep. So
Yes.
so basically when I give x equal to 5, okay, and 4 sorry, and y equal to 6 and z equal to 7, okay, after that if I have to solve this equation, let's say I will put it under the variable name at t, 3 times x means 3 times 5, 3 times x. Okay, either this way or you write in brackets like this, plus 4 times y, so you like write this, plus, sorry,
No, it's
minus
minus.
5 times z,
That's
plus
7. You wrote it as 7. Yeah.
plus 4 times y into 3. Okay, can anyone tell me the output of this?
Let's see. 3xy equals 7xy minus 2xyz. 18xy squared z.
Hey, I have given the already the value of x. So how you are giving? I want the output.
Oh wait, no,
Acha, okay, leave it. I am just asking like that. I
15,
don't want output from you
15,
guys. Yeah, Hira,
19 times 6. I need a
you're on mute.
calculator to solve
Yeah,
that.
It's 84.
let's see. I don't know. Now you see, it
Ooh.
gives me an error. And what error it gives?
I think you need to do times 5.
Hmm?
Like you need to put, like you did 3 bracket x. Try doing like the actual times x. Let's see if that will work.
Exactly. That's the point.
Very.
Yeah, but it's 84.
So here I have to give 4 times y, 5.
No, because then you will be doing times because you've also wrote the brackets.
No, no, that is fine. That is fine. I just wanted to separate it.
Okay.
And it's 76 is the output. So
I
probably,
tried.
huh? Okay, so this is the output. Now you guys write these kind of programs and these things, but you guys write in this fashion, right? Save it in a notepad, or if you do one thing, okay, do one more thing. Everyone in your idle screen, this thing Ane taught me, I was also not aware about that. Control plus n, control plus n,
Control plus n. Oh, I got it.
and just do radius equal to, let's say that 5,
Isn't this notepad?
and area equal to radius into radius
This is notepad.
into 3.14. And
Radius equal 5.
once you click on run,
Area. Wait. Am I writing area? Area equals radius
and you can just go and you can, you see,
times
it will be
radius.
automatically saved. You can save
Uh,
it.
Okay. Oh no, shit. Down below. Run. Wait, should I do Python shell, check module, run customized, or run module?
Hmm.
There's like 4 different things for me.
for me, I don't get, like, I can't.
Can I share my
closed,
screen?
No, no, one second.
I closed my idle thing. I
Okay,
closed the screen that had it.
just give me 1 minute. And it is run module, right?
Anay, is it run module?
Yes, yes, yes. He already gave thumbs up. Don't worry.
Shit, I did. Now, where's the. Oh, okay.
And then you just save it. You just save it in any.
Python.
Yep, I have saved. Okay, here I got it.
Wow.
Okay, everyone, do what I am doing. Okay, everyone, open your idle again. Stop it and open the idle.
There, I opened it.
Hmm?
I
Now
need to get the
press
idle.
Control plus N.
Control N. I just got a new tab of that same
Yep,
thing.
yep,
This
yep,
is
yep.
the right one.
Now here just write print your name.
Wait, what are we doing this thing?
Print.
Yeah. So I'm just telling another way
Yeah.
that if you want to write the
Yeah.
volume, the radius, and these stuffs, how you can save it and how you can use it.
Now,
Okay.
now what? You
I
click
have like
Python
10
shell,
different tabs open.
Now run and run module. Or
run
just
and
huh,
module. Source must be saved.
yeah, click OK and
Okay.
save it on desktop.
So,
And what do you name it? Just
Any
what
random
you
name you want to give,
Fine.
origin
and you see
ask.
it will automatically print it
Hmm,
in
it
the
didn't
idle.
print. Wait, I hit enter.
Save. Yeah, it automatically prints it.
So similarly, in this particular way only, you guys try to write your how you can write your like try to write your area of program, your equations and all, and like try to save that, so that will be saved in your system. Okay, Arjun, are you able to do this?
No, I don't do. I just did print and then my name and it didn't work. I did it in one quote as well.
And you saved the file, and after that you did run module.
Wait, I don't understand what we are in. Oh, wait, okay, wait. I just need
Do
to.
Control N.
And
This
then
is
run.
this is how I
Run module. Save.
Okay, I wanted to
Okay.
cover one more thing, but no problem.
This is doesn't. What? Okay.
question.
Okay.
Is
What?
it like an exam?
Yeah.
No.
Is that like an exam or something?
Kind of, not exam, it's just like a
You're
small
out.
thing.
You're out.
Small. How many questions are there?
Like we have a couple of question on strings, we have a couple of question on lists. I have to add
Okay,
one question.
finally. Oh, okay, now it worked. Finally, it took me like.
Finally, great. Now please see here.
Yeah.
Okay. So what would be the answer of this first question?
C.
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 C,
C.
Ane.
Yes.
Second,
Second. D. Wait.
No, I actually.
Uh,
C.
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 fine. If you guys are saying, I can try it. The
Actually,
question
yes.
says, sorry, Ane,
C. Pretty sure.
why C you guys are saying?
Because it says month. There's no
22
space.
months.
You have to have like space.
What question is asking?
Which of the
Which is the
following?
following? Oh, it's B. It's B. Because you said that no variable can start with a number.
How about guys, Ane and Arjun?
Yeah.
Are
He
you
did
guys
say that it cannot start with a number, so yeah.
sorry?
How
You
do you
did
do
say
C?
that. Am I on mute?
No.
Hello? Okay, yeah. You said that no variable can start with a number.
This is B, right?
Yeah, B,
Yeah.
B.
B.
Yes, it would be B.
This is B. The answer is B.
Yes. Yeah.
Because it is saying which of following is not a valid variable name. Okay. Third question. Answer क्या होगा? What will be the answer for third question?
That would be
Ira.
4 plus
Wait.
plus 15.
Is it 20 minus 5 or 20?
20
Equals
minus
2.
5.
There's no 2. Wait.
It's 2.
Yeah, it should be 2.
It's 2.
It's
10
2.
divided by 20.
2 is not there in option also, Ira.
What do you
It
mean?
should be though.
Is
It would
it
be
20
2.
minus 5 or 20?
20
No.
minus 5.
Okay.
Wait. 20 minus 5 equals 15. 5 plus 5, 20. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 times. Oh, no, it's 8. Multiplication comes first.
Try it again.
It's 8.
Everyone
Because
run this thing on Python. Everyone open
minus
your
5.
idle and run this on Python.
20 minus 5 equals 15 plus 5 equals 20. 20 divided by 5 equals 4 times 2 equals 8.
Hey, have you learned about BODMAS rule?
Yeah,
Yeah,
multiply.
Pandas.
Yeah,
It's
pattern.
bracket. No, we call
Yep.
it
No, it's
board
Bracket,
mass.
parentheses,
And
multiplication,
exponents. There's no exponents.
division.
Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction.
Oh, it's 11,
So
11, 11, 11,
parentheses
11,
Correct,
11,
equals
11.
correct then.
equals
It's 11.
15 divided by 5 equals 3 times 2 equals
It's
6
11.
plus 5. Yeah, it's 11.
You have to
Now
do
they
order
will
of
say
operations.
true.
Order of operations.
How
I
did we not get that? That was so nice.
11.
Yeah,
That
I
was our
told you guys,
mistake.
right? It's about operations. So this test, like it seems to be easy, but there was a small trick. Okay. Okay, this is assignment for you guys for tomorrow. The
Oh
question
no.
of strings, which I want you guys to complete by tomorrow. Now, what you have to do is, okay, that you have to write a program which hold three variables. Okay, everyone focus here. I'll explain it once only. You have to write a program which hold three variables. One variable will contain your first name, another with last name, and third will hold your age. And now you have to, oh my god, sorry guys, I just missed one topic to tell you guys on which entire program is there. My bad. Let me explain you. Now there is one important thing which is no to understand here is percent %s or the placeholders. Okay, I'll not take more than 5 minutes. So what happens? Let's say I have written first name equal to Sachin. Okay, and last name equal to
Agarwal.
Agarwal. Okay, now I want to print that my first name is Sachin and last name is Agarwal, like that. In Python, if you have to print that in this way, so I write my first name is, again I write percentage s, and last name is, and last name is percentage s, and then I write first name comma last name. I'll explain you guys what it is.
Uh,
Sorry, I just missed the single quotes. No, not this. This is not a correct way. I wanted these values to be here. Just give me a moment. No, I'm doing it correctly or not. Let me just do one. There's some syntax error I'm getting.
are we gonna do more of those math questions like those?
Yeah,
Nice. Tomorrow?
more of the math questions.
Yeah.
What if you happen to like be busy today?
Busy today means?
Like after this?
Um, I didn't got it. Like in what?
Like you're doing something else after this for the rest of the day.
No, it's already 12:15 a.m. here. So probably like I'll just check my phone messages and I'll go for sleep.
So like he's
Whoa,
talking.
he's
No,
She's
no.
talking about herself.
Mm,
what's still going on?
Oh, okay. You're saying that if you guys are busy.
yeah,
Oh, okay. Yeah, not an
and
I
issue.
get that session. It's like 12.
because like you said the assignment is due tomorrow. Would it
Show them
be
my
Okay,
break
okay?
let's do one thing. Okay, let's not do the assignment tomorrow. Okay, happy.
No, I don't mind doing the assignment. Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you this placeholder one. I'm doing something foolish that I know very well. I'm doing something foolish here, due to which
I
I'm not
don't know.
getting the output. But um, huh. So I'll tell you this thing tomorrow. So no assignment for now. Okay. Okay, no assignment for now. And so tomorrow I'll tell you this placeholder thing. Okay. And after that, we'll talk with the list and this, and we'll try to see that how in Python we can calculate the square root, how we in Python we can calculate the other stuffs. Okay, with a simple maths. And also we'll see that how we can make use of the, and we'll try to see and make some graphics things which we studied yes on that day which we saw, right? So those graphic stuffs we will try to say it. Yep, Ane.
Can I do more of those math questions?
We will do more of the math questions.
Bruh.
No, I didn't got your question, sorry.
When can we do more of the math questions? Like, do you see, like, and then I said the one's 11, and we were kind of struggling with it.
Definitely we will do that. And we'll try to calculate the volume of sphere and all those things, right? That way you are calculating, right? Or you are asking me when we write import math and all that things.
Hmm.
Hmm. Okay, so that's not an issue. We'll do that definitely. Now, quickly, everyone, please share. Please turn on your video. We'll end up the session in next 2 minutes. And okay, now, mm, so fine. So good that we studied today about the strings. We got to know how strings work. We got to know how variables work and how you can play around with variables. How you can do the equations and these stuffs. Mhm.
Arjun, you're upside down.
I'm sorry. There's this
I think
weird
he
setting.
knows
Okay,
that
there we go.
by now. I'm pretty sure he knows that. You just need my fun.
Right. So, Arjun,
Now he's turning his camera.
yeah, please focus here. Just 2 minutes more. And so what we are going to do that we are going to talk about all the scenarios and stuffs. We talked about strings and all this stuffs, and it is like we saw a few of the exercises and those things with the help of this. Now, apart from that, we also we will be like talking a little bit more on the placeholders and these stuffs tomorrow, few of the concepts, and we'll see how more we can go ahead with Python, and we'll start working around that. But I would request all of you guys to play around as much as you can. Okay, it's not only that like if you are busy or with that it's okay, but the next 5 days which we are getting, so with that we try to play around with it as much as you can. Like you have a lot of maths questions and all, so see how you can put it in the Python program and how you can just save it up. Okay, how you can save it up. Yeah, Ira.
So you're saying that we should ask Python to help us with our homework?
No,
Yeah.
no, I'm not saying that Python to help you for the homework.
It
I'm
would
saying
work
just
if you were like in 3rd grade, but like now we are in like 6th, 7th grade.
We already know it.
yeah, like definitely like you can, but that might not help in your final examinations or something. So yeah, but you can make, instead of using calculators, you can make use of that. So
Python, yeah.
yeah, but I would not say I suggest that thing. that you do this, but it's good. Okay, now quickly let's recap the things as we do after every session. So let's start with Ane. What Ane learned and what he find it exciting for the day.
I learned that the math thing you can kind of do it on Python, and then um, and then it can like be in the same line and stuff.
Yep, yep. And I think you also learned about that backslash character, right? You were not aware about that when we put
Yeah.
shouldn't and couldn't, that kind of words.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, great, great. And Arjun, what about you?
I learned like that you can write multi sentences, and I really just like that you can do math on Python, area of circle. That's not what I learned. I knew it and then I forgot it, but still. And then I learned the backslash character. I learned that you can do with like one quote. Today I didn't really take any notes, but still.
Yeah, because today you are in different mood, right? That's the reason. Okay, no, it's just good, good. Ira, what about you?
I learned that Python can help you with your homework. And I learned that if you like same the backslash, because I didn't know that you couldn't use apostrophes again on a string because I thought it would just keep going. I also learned that how you like save Python stuff on a computer, like and like the radius thing, how you could make it like a command
Correct. Yep.
after.
Yeah. So yeah, there are a couple of things, and tomorrow we'll also try to see that how we can install PyCharm, which Ane was talking about in our last session also. So that is in that with there also we can run the code and we'll see how it makes difference and all these things. So we will try to do as much as creativity things and smaller, more creative stuffs with Python, which we can do. Okay. Now, so good. Good. Let's connect tomorrow again and let's try to learn few more interesting things. And from that, and we'll go ahead with these stuffs.
And I left.
Okay.
But yeah, before he left, he said, subscribe to my YouTube channel,
That's
Mr.
me.
No,
Red
no, no.
Hawk.
That is Arjun. That is Arjun.
Oh, sorry,
Anil left.
yeah, Ane left. But yeah,
Anil might have
YouTube.
went to play soccer. I'm pretty sure.